And finally back with another video on MineThrive, you know, the world's greatest Bitcoin mining platform. So we're just gonna click on it. It might take a minute to load. Oh wait, what? It's not working? I wonder why. Oh yeah, because it was a scam after all. Because I knew it. So if you try to find any way to get onto the platform, it won't let you. It just says could not find, no matter what search engine you're on. So this is what it originally looked like when you clicked on it. And let's see if we can go back to the potential profits. So yeah, if you were to put in 3.5 Bitcoin, after a week you would have 2.5 Bitcoin already back. After a month, 11 Bitcoin. After a year, you have 134 Bitcoin. Your return on investment was 10 days. Does that not just scream scam? So I really hope no one put any money into it, because if you did, you just lined their pockets. Because the only trusting platform you can use that I know of is GoMining. I've already been paid out $554. Or this much Bitcoin, 0.0087 Bitcoin. And right now, if I go to my rewards, look, saved on balance. I'm going to get my Bitcoin payout in 3 days. Because this is a real platform. It's a real one. Unlike this scam. So if you're still interested in mining Bitcoin and you actually want to do it, I would highly, highly, highly advise going to GoMining.com. I believe it's .com. Sorry, GoMining.io, I believe it is. And check them out, because you won't get scammed. You'll have an NFT of your miner. And if you like, you can mint that miner and put it on the Ethereum or the Binance chain and send it to a wallet, such as a cold wallet, so it's offline and it's secure. You don't have to worry about it being hacked. You don't have to worry about you getting scammed, because you won't. You don't have to worry about it. Even if you just purchase a miner. So yeah, I hope no one invested in this, because if you did, I hope you did very, very, very little money into it. Have a good one.